What's the meaning of chance? Chance. Chance.
Chance. Chance. The term chance refers to the potential occurrence of an event or outcome that is not necessarily predictable or predetermined. It is often associated with probability and randomness, and can be influenced by a variety of factors such as luck, timing, and circumstances. The result of chance can range from favorable to unfavorable, and can have a significant impact on an individual's life. While some may view chance as a source of uncertainty or risk, others may see it as an opportunity for growth, discovery, and new experiences.